Good morning everyone. My topic name is Explain the Clinical Trial. First one, the definition of clinical trial. Clinical trial is a scientific study of safety and efficacy of new drug or other treatment, conducted on human volunteer is called as clinical trial. Then explain the history of clinical trial. So, King Nebuchadnezzar King Nebuchadnezzar II is a military leader. Then it is an old treatment of treated of reference on a trial, water and bread versus wine, and also legumes and water. Then second one is James Land. It is established by 1716 to 1792. It is then then scurvy experiment. The land selected 12 men for the shift. First one is a quarter side of the bed. The second one is a 23 drops of electrical withdrawal in 3 times a day. The third one is a 2 spoonful vinegar 3 times a day. Then fourth one is a course of sea water, and fifth one is a 2 oranges 1 lemon gives them every day, recommended by hospital surgeon. Placebo, the second cornerstone. It established in 1800. Then the historical medical perspective was established in 1811, and in 1863 the Dr. Austrian Plant conducted first experiment comparing dummy remedies with already existing remedies. Historical perspective, US Pharmacopoeia was established in 1820, and then second one is Biological Control Acts was established in 1902. Then third one is a Pure Food and Drug Act was established in 1906. Syphilis study. Syphilis Tuskegee study was established in 1932 to 1972. The location of the Tuskegee study, Macon County in Alabama. Then 1937, thalidomide tragedy was discovered. Sulfonamide tragedy was discovered. Sulfonamide is a first systemic antibiotic, and this sulfonamide pills used for the treatment of streptococcus infection. And in 1938, Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act was established. So, in historical perspective, first double-blind controlled trial was established in 1942 to 1943 to 1944, and first randomized controlled trial was established in 1946. Then Nuremberg trial was established in 1946. The Hugs for Crimes Against Humanity, Nuremberg trials and Nuremberg trial experiment include twin study, phasing response, malaria experiment, mustard gas experiment, sulfonamide experiment, sulfonamide experiment, seawater experiment. And then Nuremberg Code was established in 1947. It include volunteer participants are conducted. Then subject have right in participant of research. Amendment Act was established in 1962, and then Declaration of Helsinki was established in 1964. The Declaration of Helsinki was developed by a World Medical Associate and followed by Nuremberg Code. The National Research Act was established in 1974 and Institutional Review Board was established in 1974. Then last one is a Belmont Report. Belmont Report was established in 1979. There are three principles of Belmont Report. First one is a principle of respect. Second one is a principle of beneficence. Then third one is a principle of justice. Thank you so much.